fam, good morning, good day, good afternoon. Hey, welcome back, guys. So we are back. I said, do you guys like my hair? Hey fam, good morning, good day, good afternoon, good evening. It depends on where you are watching me from. Yes, it's another beautiful day for another beautiful content. You already know what time is it again. It's content time, but today is different. You can see, guys, that I am using my scarf this morning because I want to go and do my hair, but I'm going to film everything. Trust me, guys, you already know. So I'm going to film everything. Let me take off my scarf a little bit. Yeah, so this is my setting spray, because I need to freshen up for you guys before I go and do the hair. So that is setting spray, guys. And what we have again here, I have my eyebrow gel. So I'm just going to do this. Guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great, guys. So you see, not the last time I said I need to shape this my hair. Is it eyebrow? It's too bushy. I need to trim it, but I don't have the time right now. So right now I need to let the setting spray dry on my face before I apply my foundation. So now the hair that I want to go and do, let's get it out. Oh my god, guys, see the hair. Not the last time I tried to weave the hair by myself, but I don't know how to do it. So I just do, see what I did to my hair. So right now I just want to go and do cornrow. Yeah, just cornrow, because I don't have a lot of time to sit for braiding. I just want to do cornrow today. And trust me, guys, I'm going to carry you guys along. So you can see the hair, guys. I'm just waiting for my setting spray to dry off before I apply my foundation. We are not a makeup artist, but we are trying. You already know that my content that I'm trying to learn how to do the makeup. I guess we're still trying. I'm not perfect yet, but gradually we get there. So I'm going to carry you guys along. You can see that the hair is not even going so well. Trust me. I'm going to be showing you guys the products that I'll be using for my hair. So, but I want to grow the hair before I will come online and show people the products I'm using. Right? So let's first go grow the hair first. Okay. So right now I'm going to apply my gel. Yeah, primer. So primer gel. Apply it. Right. So after the setting spray have dried on my face, so I'll now apply my primer. Right. You want to go and do the hair, but at the same time you want to touch a little bit of makeup. So right now I will need to wait again for this primer to dry. So this one to have to dry before applying my foundation. So let's continue with combing my hair. Guys, please, if you know you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe please. And if you like to join my community, please, there is join button you will see beside my profile picture. Please, if you like to support me, you can join my community, guys. Yes. So, and if you like to gift your girl, there is super chat there. If you like what I'm doing, please support me. You can click on that super chat. You bless me, I will really appreciate it too. We are not begging for it. We're just saying we want. Yes, guys. So I think by now the primer has already dried off. So let me now apply my foundation, guys. The hair is really growing fast. I think I've just told you guys about this hair before. I normally cut my hair every year. Every year I cut this hair. But this year I promised myself I'm not going to cut this hair. I'm going to grow this hair. So guys, let's see how it's going to go by December. So let's see how it's going to be by December. So right now I'm using my foundation. I'm using this Ivy maquillage. Yes. So how's your day going, guys? I hope your day is going good. Because I just want light makeup. I don't want to do too much like I always say. The reason why I like to do this makeup once in a while is because of my spots that I have on my face. So it's always block those spots on my face. To go right here, so I have to touch them. Please, guys, if you haven't subscribed, you are seeing this, this video for the first time, please support your girl, subscribe to my channel, and please turn your notification bell on, so when next I upload, you'll be able to know, Yeah, so that's the, I just like to make everything to blend, right? So I have mark here, guys. Yeah. When I was little, this one is another story for another content. Not today. Yeah. This is my highlighter. Yes. So my lips. It's not even straight. I'll just manage it like this, guys. Because this is my lip balm. So right now I'm going to rub my powder. You know this lip balm is sweet. It's sweet in my mouth. So last but not the least, my final spray. So guys, we are good to go, and I will capture the moments when I'm doing my hair. So I'm going to show you guys. So I guys have done everything. You guys see the hair. How did I look? Did I try on my makeup? Even though we don't do much, at least we still try, right? Thank you so much for staying by, and if you haven't subscribed, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will show you guys after I finish my hair. Before I finish, okay, this is before, I'll show you in between, and I will show you after. So this is it, guys. and I love you guys. Thank you so much. Have a good day, and I will see you shortly. So guys, I just get to where I want to do my hair now. So, like I said, I'm going to carry you guys along. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go and do our hair, guys. So don't go anywhere. I will show you briefly of the hair, and I will show you after the hair. Thank you.
A few moments later.
Hey, welcome back, guys. So we are back now. I'm doing my hair. Like I said, I'm going to carry you guys along, right? So this is the beginning of the year, and I'm going to show you in between and after. Love you guys, and thank you. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and turn your notification bell on so that whenever I upload, you'll be able to notify. I'll see you shortly. Don't go anywhere, guys. I love you. Bye. Hey guys, like I said, I'm going to show you before and after, but you see, we have just one left. So I will see you shortly. Look at the hair. How did I look? Did I look good? Papa. Yes, I'm feeling myself, guys. So don't worry. I'm still going to show you after this. Yes, let's go. See you shortly. Don't go anywhere. Bye. Hey beautiful people, guess what? Your girl is back. Look at the hair. So what do you guys have to say to this hair? Is it beautiful? Give me, oh yeah, just write your your comments. Drop comments for me on the comment section. How do you like the hair? Do you like it or you don't like it? Let me know your your opinion. Is it opinion I will say, or let me, I don't even know. Anything that you have to say, just drop it in the comment section. How did I look, guys? So this is what they called Nigerian what? Cornrow. Is it Nigerian cornrow? I don't even know. I don't know. Kilo cornrow, you know? Okay, it's adimole. For people, I don't know how to translate that adimole. So it's DD, we call it DD style, but in a form of cornrow, right? Yes, guys. So this is me, and I just finished on my way home now. Thank you so much. And at this stage, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to your girl's channel, and don't forget, if you like my content, you can bless your girl. You get what I'm saying? Yes, thank you so much. And until next time, don't worry, we have a beautiful content that is coming up. My daughter made Dubai chocolate, and don't worry, watch out for that. That will be our next content. Thank you, and I love you so much. And from here, I will be signing out. See you next time. Take care. Bless you. Bless your soul. Bless your heart. I love you. Bye.